Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rhoda Snyder. Kindly subscribe before we continue. Today I'm going to show you how to make tacos. So we are going to start by frying our onions in some oil. Then we add a paste of garlic. Continue frying until the onions are golden brown or until they are almost golden brown. This recipe is a very delicious snack. You can do it anytime that you want or you feel like having snack. So the next ingredient we are adding is 1 spoonful of mixed spices and some salt to taste. You can also add pepper if you like. Ensure that all of that is well mixed up. You can continue stir frying it and just ensure that it's well mixed up. Then the next thing we are going to add is the beef. It's ground beef or minced meat if you like. Also stir fry it like so. Ensure that it's well mixed with the onions. As you are going to see, I won't add any water to the beef. This is going to be our filling, so we just let it cook with the water it retained from the washing. You'll cover this and stir it from time to time just to ensure that it does not make some lumps or some huge chunks. Once the beef has turned brown and it's no longer red, you can add tomatoes or you can add mixed bell peppers, the green, the white and the yellow. And for those who do not know, bell peppers is just pili pili hoho. And for this video I won't add all of that. I wanted to do a very simple recipe with the readily available ingredients that anyone can find around. So I just used the tomatoes. You mixed all of that up and let it cook. Once the tomatoes are soft, then you'll just automatically know that it's cooked. Make sure that there is no soup left because it's going to be a filling and you don't want a watery filling. So just like that, it's done. Set it aside, then start to fill your tacos. For the filling, you'll start with the lettuce if you like, or you can just start with the minced meat, then the lettuce or thinly sliced cabbage. The next one will be the tomatoes and the onions together. And the last ingredient to add on top will be sour cream. If you can't find sour cream, you can just add guacamole. And guacamole is just avocado with lime. You can blend it or you can just smash it with a spoon, and just like that it will be done. If you watched the video up to this point and you've enjoyed it, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, share, comment, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you may be notified when I upload. Bye.